Telegram Tips and Tricks 2022. While instant messaging was pioneered in the early internet era, it has been revolutionized by different players over the years. Though WhatsApp remains the undisputed champion of IM in terms of its sheer user base, Telegram is one of its main competitors, and for good reason. There are a lot of cool things that you can do with Telegram. Chat folders. We follow so many channels and groups on Telegram of different kinds, not to mention the individual chats that go into the mix. Having all these chats in one panel gives a little cluttered experience. So to solve this issue, Telegraph has bought chat folders. This allows you to categorize your chats into different labels, and Telegram sorts things out for you. As a result, Telegram gets super clean and much easier to manage. Open the hamburger menu and move to Settings, then Folders. Here tap on Create New Folder and give a name like Personal, Work, Fun, Unread, etc. After that, add the chats that you would like to appear in this folder. Similarly, you can add the kinds of chats that you don't want to be grouped under this folder. Now, the main screen will move to a tabbed UI, making it easier to use and manage Telegram. Edit Sent Messages. Does it ever happen to you that you send a message and immediately you find typos? Well, there is an edit button to save you on Telegram. All you have to do is select the message and tap on the edit pen icon at the top, and you can easily edit the message. However, it will show you an edited label after you have made the changes. Also, there are no time-bound restrictions for editing messages on Telegram. You can only edit messages up to 48 hours after sending them. Forever if the messages are posted in your saved messages chat. Send silent messages. There are times when we know our close ones are studying, sleeping, or attending meetings, but we want to send them messages anyway without disturbing them. Well, there is a feature called Silent Messages on Telegram. Basically, you can send messages and it will not make any sound or vibration even if the recipient has not turned on DND. That's great, right? So to use this feature, type out your message and then tap and hold the send button. Here, choose Send Without Sound and you are done. Slow mode. If you are a group admin on Telegram, slow mode is what you need to stop unnecessary spam and make the conversation more orderly. After you turn on the slow mode and choose the time interval, group members will have a restriction to send one message in the defined interval. Say, for instance, if you choose the time interval to be 15 seconds, after sending one message, the group member will have to wait 15 seconds to send another message. It will definitely raise the value of each member and individual messages. You can turn on slow mode by tapping on the group name, then edit, pen icon, permissions, slow mode. Avoid being added to random groups. This one is the most needed. One of the worst parts about messaging apps is that anyone can add you to random groups without your active permission. However, the good part is that Telegram gives you an option to disable it altogether. You can change the desired settings from the Settings menu, then Privacy and Security, then Groups, then My Contacts, and then select all the Telegram users to Never Allow. I can't tell you how much I love this Telegram trick. So, share these cool tips with your friends and do let us know your favorite Telegram trick.